Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the new chapter which is Weather, Climate and Adaptation in Animals. In this chapter, we will discuss about the weather, climate and different adaptation in animals to survive in different climatic condition. What is difference between weather and climate? What are the adaptation in different animals of different climatic zone? That all things we have to discuss in this chapter. Students, we always think of weather wherever we may be. That means where we are, that doesn't matter. We always think of weather. Weather is one of the first things that we notice after we wake up. According to the weather, if it is cold, we wear a sweater. If it is hot and sunny, we wear light cotton clothes. We may also look at the weather forecast in a newspaper or on the internet in case we have to go out for a picnic or a holiday break. That means many of our works depend upon the weather. And now we will discuss about what does the weather imply. That means what is the meaning of weather. Weather, it is the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place in terms of certain well defined terms or elements. Student, in this definition it is mentioned that at a particular time and place because it varies from place to place and time to time. So, weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place in terms of certain well defined terms or elements. Now, what are these elements on which weather depends? These elements are temperature, humidity, cloudiness, precipitation, wind, and atmospheric pressure. These conditions are studied in meteorology, the science of understanding weather and weather forecasting. The science in which we learn about the weather and weather forecasting, that science is known as meteorologist, and the scientists who study about weather, they are known as meteorologist. They record these elements, the variation in these elements, to forecast about the weather. They record such constant change in these elements to forecast about the weather. Students, we will discuss about the different elements, different weather elements, that means the elements on which the weather depends. The first one is temperature. It is an indicator of the degree of hotness or coldness of the air. Temperature on the earth averages 15 degrees Celsius at sea level but varies according to latitude, elevation, season and time of the day. It can range from a record high of 58 degrees Celsius to a record low of minus 88 degrees Celsius. Temperature is generally highest in the tropics and lowest near the poles. On any given day, it is usually warmest during mid-afternoon. That means the temperature is high during mid-afternoon and coldest around dawn just before sunrise. It is low temperature. Now the next one is humidity. It is a measure of the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Humidity is a measure of the amount of water vapor which is present in the atmosphere. The most common measure of humidity is the relative humidity, which is equal to the amount of water vapor actually present in the atmosphere divided by the atmosphere's maximum water vapor holding capacity at that temperature. It is known as relative humidity. Next one is cloudiness. Most clouds are produced due to the cooling of air as it rises up. When air temperature gets reduced, the excess water vapor in the air condenses into liquid droplets or ice crystals, which depend upon the temperature, to form clouds or fog. Fog refers to clouds that almost touch the ground. In dense fog, the visibility range may be around 50 meter or so. Now the next element is precipitation. Precipitation is produced when the droplets and crystals in clouds grow large enough to fall on the ground. Precipitation takes a variety of forms including rain, drizzle, snow, hail, ice pellets or sleets. These are the different forms of precipitation. Next element is wind. The horizontal movement of air is referred to as the wind. It is named after the direction from which it comes. For example, if a wind is coming from the north, is known as northern wind. If it is coming from south, it is known as southern wind. In most places near the ground, the speed of wind usually averages from 8 km per hour to 24 km per hour. However, it can be very much higher during intense storms. As you know that it may be 150 km per hour also. Now the last element is atmospheric pressure. It plays a vital role in all weather system. Atmospheric pressure is the force due to the weight of the air on a given surface divided by the area of that surface. It is known as atmospheric pressure. Falling atmospheric pressure usually indicates an approaching storm, whereas rising pressure usually indicates clear skies. That means if there is fall in pressure, that means there may be a storm, and if there is rise in pressure, it indicates clear skies. Students, these are the different elements on which the weather of any place at any time depends. So we will discuss climate in the next season. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.